But today I am serious. Before starting, I would like to ask one simple question to you all. If you think that is right, you have to raise your hand. If you think that is wrong, you have to keep your hand down. And if you have the doubt, you have to keep your hand till here. So my question is, who all are male here? Who all are female here? See, I feel some people is confused till here. I'm not sure what they are. Okay. So this exercise why I am trying to do, because you all are worried about your whatever you are doing work. You came busy schedule, you left your busy schedule, you came here and given your time. So good afternoon, fellow Toastmaster and guest.
Good afternoon.
The first quality of human mind, if you don't have strong intellect, is that the mind rambles. You all are sitting here with busy schedule in the mid of the day, looking at me. Suddenly your mind will go. At 3 o'clock I have meeting. I have to go home early soon. And who all are maybe someone going to give the speech P6 or P10. They are also thinking I have to prepare, and maybe they are not concentrated on the session today. And someone will say, thinking one Saturday speech will over, he can go up, means after a round of class they can go out. So these things is happening. So all the time your mind is either rambling in worry about the past and anxiety of the future. This destroys your peace and productivity. Okay, let me ask you one question. In the office, 9 hours in a day, how much exactly you are working? Anyone? 2 hours. 2 hours. 2.5. 2.5. Wow. Don't worry, if your manager is even he is on the same position. Okay. Someone told 1 hour, someone told 2 hours. It's good. Someone maybe 6 hours. It's a big song. See, like over here, come here to learn something. Right now you work, listen to me what I am saying. But your own mind won't let you do that. I already told you next meeting, previous meeting, you all worry about the past and future. See, most people, the general consent in anywhere in the all over the world between 30 to 40%. Do you know what to mean by 30 to 40%? You have no idea of implication of that. What should take you 3 to 4 hours should take actually 10 hours. And that's why you keep on saying to whole world, I don't have time. I don't have time. You don't have time. It's not you don't have time. You don't have intellect to present your mind in the particular task or work whatever you are doing. And not only does this rambling tendency destroy your mind, this what causes you to be tired in whole day, all the time. That's why end of the day you need drink. End of the week you need weekend. See, today is Thursday, tomorrow is Friday. Everyone will say, have a great weekend, have a great weekend. Why you are not telling on the Monday, have a great week? End of the year you need vacation. So you are looking forward to get away from your what you do for enjoyment. What a sad life. Try to get away from things to enjoy. Why? Because you're tired. Why you are tired? Not because of what? I will prove you. Anyone having young kids, 3 year, 4 year or 5 year old? Okay, good. Someone is thinking not have the children, right? So, see what I mean. Father come home from work, he had young kids. and kid is jumping all over the dad, how are you? How's that? And father said, like, okay, I'm so tired, man. I'm so tired. What you what you did all day? So you tired, huh? What you did? You drove to work your air conditioned car to office. And you were air conditioned office. You had few meetings. You had a nice lunch, sip of tea and coffee. And you draw again your home in air conditioned car. And you come home and say, I am so tired, man. I am so tired. And your son, who is jumping, kicking, playing all the day, he is so full of energy. Why? Because physically, if you are stronger than him, you can kick him and toss around. Children don't have worry about the past and future. That's why they have boundless energy. So why I am telling these things? Because day by day everyone is too much worried about the work, all this stuff. So try to enjoy whatever you have. Be happy. Do more work. If you do more work, definitely you will be happy. So don't away from work. Try to work more and more, and definitely you will be get more happy. And for that, just meet with friends, colleagues, and spend time with them. Sometimes I enjoy with the animals. Like I will say, I really enjoy the dogs when I am going from office to home, 9 o'clock by 11 o'clock. Sometimes I notice, I just give them an example, like one Mrs. Dog is going on the street and behind that 3, 4 Mr. Dog is also, they are trying to impress. Huh? How they are trying to impress, say, telling, I am black color, I am good, I have a taller tail, I am looking handsome. They are, try to convince Mrs. Dog. And in meanwhile, some dog will bite to other dog. So these things is happening, and so that's what I mean. Say you should enjoy whatever you have, and be happy, and do your best. Over to Krishna.